Hey everyone, this is V. I am back. I am powered. I am full. I am empowering you today to go out there and create something beautiful. I am going to open this package with a new palette, and as you see in the thumbnail, it will mention what it is. But for now, I'm going to take this off and we're going to play with this. There is thunder and rain. We've been having thunder and rain now for days on end. Either at night or during the day or both. So you'll be hearing thunder in the background. Enjoy nature with me. Let us start. It is so beautiful to play with some makeup. Oh, I love this. I love this. First impression on this palette, I just did a 5-minute watch time hours, and please share so I can get to 700 subscribers by October 1st 2022, which is my birthday. Yeah, I am so blessed to be alive. When you read my books, you will understand why I have so much joy. When you read my books, you will understand the joy that I have. Because for a long time, I was miserable. I was mean. I was angry with everybody and the world, including myself. But now, after doing all this work on myself and my soul, I have come to realize there is much better out in the world than what I'm thinking. I have met Zig Ziglar. He's no longer alive, but I have met him in person, shook his hands. I have met Oprah twice. I have met Deepak Chopra. I have met Elena Vanzant. I mean, I have met a lot of people. I went to lots of functions. So now, let us open up this bad boy package and let us see what's in there. Oh, there is a card. There is a card. I didn't know. Ooh, I need glasses. This is the package and it is well wrapped. It is a gift. It is a gift. They wrap it as a gift, but I purchased it, okay? They were having a sale and my sis let me know when it was and I ordered it. And I'm taking out the wrapper. They wrap it good. I love packaging. Ooh, and now we are going to take it out. I'll go this way first. And I am taking it out from another package. And there it is. Yeah. There it is. My first palette from that company. You can see the name? Nomad Cosmetics. Yes. This is the packaging. Nice picture. I've seen that picture before. Little thingy we throw away. And the palette looks like this. Even better in person than it looks on the screen. It is pretty. I have to swatch a color in there. This is the card. It says, "Thank you so much for your order. We hope you love your new Nomad goodies. Enjoy. Thanks so much, Felicia and Ati." Very nice. I love this. This looks like the old country. The first color I'm going swatching there is one of my favorite color and my mom's favorite color. And for her and in honor of her, I will swatch this one first. Right? Let us do that for my mama. It is the pink. And for my sis, who loves purple just like me, and that's a second favorite color for me, is purple, I will swatch purple. And this is purple. There is so much rain outside. Outside don't look good. Let's just put it that way. I am taking this skin tone color like, and I'm going to put it everywhere. My good Lord, it is pouring a storm out there. If you are going through something in your life, take time to do the work for yourself, because when you accomplish the work and can't even get it out. When you accomplish the work that your soul needs, there is such a good feeling about that. I'm going to do the purple. Its swatch is nice, the formula is nice. First impression, Nomad Cosmetics. Third color. Nothing planned, as you see. I just open it and whatever comes to mind, I am playing in. Whatever comes to mind, I am playing in it. I'm trying the brush. I always like my fingers better. More control. My good Lord, what a lot of rain. Color. And I'm just darkening the outer corner. And I'll clean all of that when I'm done. I lost my purple. This is the look that I created. It is the Haunted Europe Nomad Cosmetics. This, and I create this. I use 4 colors. I think I use 4 colors. I'm going to put glasses on so I can tell you the names of the colors I used. Ghost River, I put all over my eyes like a base. Then Compass, which is the purple, I used all over it. And then I took Big Bad Wolf, which is like a silver, and I put right here. Then I took Highgate Cemetery and I put from the inner corner this way, which is the green. Hopefully you can see it. And Black Forest, which is a dark blue. It's in the outer corner right here. So I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used 5 colors to create this look. The palette is cute in person. And first impression, I love it. Love it. One thing that you need to do if you're going to use the shimmers, wet your brush a little, or else you'll have some on your face. Or do your base last. Do your eyes first and do your base last. But nothing a little powder and brush could have taken out. I just went with powder and brush and I just did this. And I took it out. Love it. I am impressed. I am impressed. These are the colors again. Love it. Today's word is base. Base. Base for me is I am based right here, right now. My base will change in the next 5-10 minutes. Next 5-10 minutes, I'm based in the kitchen, cooking. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I simply make up a saying. If you're happy, show it. If you are happy, show it. Bye.